how to cut out this cube by inserting this plate into it and make it leave a mark in that cube, because if I remove it, it's automatically healed inside SolidWorks. So by the way, these are two separate parts and they are inside an assembly file. Now move one component into the other, let's say somewhere there. Click on the object from which the material will be cut out. Material will be removed from the cube. Here on the Assembly tab, click Edit Component. Now go up to SolidWorks, the red text. The menu shows up and come here to Insert Features Cavity. Insert Features Cavity. Now click on the object which should remove the material. In this case it's my plate. That was added here, and close it. Exit. And now if I remove, notice it left a mark. If we want, we can remove that cutout. In the cube, open it up. There is a cavity. Right click on the cavity and delete it. Yes. Now we can do the same thing but the opposite way. Now the cube should cut out material from the plate. First click on the part from where to take away material. Now we are cutting out the plate. Edit component. It's not mated or fixed, whatever. You can fix it later. Insert Features Cavity. Now click on the object which should do the cutting. That is the cube. And OK. And exit. And now if I take the plate away, notice the cube is intact, but the plate is modified. The cube cut away the plate. The same thing. Let's open the plate and we can delete the cavity.